This is a cat that I named Chevy. He hangs out in the garage. He's a pretty mellow dude. Chevy, what are you doing? Hiding from the dogs? You think? You're not. That cat's name is Max. That cat's name is Smith. That cat's name is Chevy. They'll be hanging out. The dogs just want to run them down and stomp them. You guys, calm down. I know, it's exciting. I know. They know those are her cats. That's what your cats. What do you bark at them for? She's just excited because the sun's up and it's springtime. See you later, everybody.